I really can't believe I got these. This is crazy. The whole box, everything else is just freaking phenomenal. I know you guys want to know what's inside the box. Inside this box. I know you want to know what's inside the box, and I'm gonna show you, I promise. Let's start the video. Then I'll show you what's inside the box. I promise I'll show you what's inside the box. Let's stop talking about the box and let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead and come here what we came here to do and roll the intro.
So it's not nice.
Yeah. It's our BB's thing, yeah?
What is up, sneaker gents and sneaker gals, sneaker geeks, sneaker shrieks? It is Flocko here, back with another video. As you can see, I've changed my name to Flocko's Flicks and Kicks. Decided to switch it up because Flocko Valley Films is my original name. But Flicks and Kicks seemed a lot more impressive. Thanks for coming back. Stay in tune, tuning in for another video. Yet again, we are doing another unboxing, but today it's gonna be a Dragon Ball Z Adidas collaboration on the unboxing. If it's your first time on my page, channel, whatsoever, video, whatever, drop by, drop your comments, let me know how you like it. Tell me what I can improve on, or tell me what you hate, man. I mean, this is a page of open honesty. I do appreciate all your smiling faces coming back to watch another unboxing, another video. This shoe is very long and behold overdue because I've had it for probably about a week or two, and I just, did you hear those bars? Overdue week or two. But I'm not a rapper. Have no fear. Today we are going to do that. Today we are going to unbox this heat. In my opinion, other people may not consider it heat, but I definitely think this shoe is fuego. When I say fuego, I mean fuego. As you can see, the design on the box is the Adidas original Dragon Ball Z. On the front, you're gonna see the size description, Adidas size 8, Commander, Adidas collaboration. On the side of the box, you see Majin Buu on the side of the box, and then this box detail is freaking dope. Like, as you know, I'm all about the design of the actual shoe box. The shoe box is the #1 thing that gets me. I'm all about branding the shoe itself. But if I can get the box and I'm wowed, like I said, I'm definitely happy I purchased the shoe if the box wows me. You will also see Majin Buu on the side and the Dragon Ball Z cartoon. And then on the other side of the box, you will see Majin Buu. And then you'll see the Dragon Ball Z, I forgot what they're called. I think it's the mystery balls. But in the mystery balls, you know how there's usually numbers in there? It's the Adidas logo that's in it. Shit! The paperweight itself, the actual paper, we gonna get a lot of, this is some stuff that makes you want to jizz your pants. If you look at the paper that came inside the shoe, you'll see, I know this is Vegeta and Majin Buu fighting right here. This is crazy. Like, this is so freaking dope. Shout out to Adidas for the packaging of this product. When I say that this whole marketing scheme is phenomenal, it is phenomenal. Like, the box, the shoe, the paper, everything in here is dope. Look at this! Let me get myself together. Give me a moment.
Meanwhile,
jizzing my pants so hard right now. Like, it is nothing to think about. This shoe, I'm happy that I got it. I'm happy with the package of it. I'm happy with the whole way they package the inside to the outside of the box. I am excited. If you look at the shoe, it's going to have at the sole, yeah, because there's no midsole to this. This is the sole of the shoe. It has this, it's hard to say what kind of material this is on the Kamadas. Sole has this rough, undescribable, distinguished edge. It's nice because it's the design of it, but then it's hard to explain what it is. The rubber sole is just like a wave. It's a back and forth wave. Like, the design will go one way on one shoe, on one section, and then on the next section it'll go another way on it. If you look at it, it's like going one way and then it'll switch to go to the other way if you go up to the next level of it. Moving up to the upper sole of the shoe, you're gonna see it's a pink suede that's on there, but then towards the inner part of the sole of the shoe, you'll see a stitching. We're gonna go up and the shoelaces are super soft. Surprisingly, these are some very nice and soft shoelaces. I am extremely happy about that because they feel extremely soft. Continuing on the tongue, you'll see that nice little spongy material, and on the back of the tongue, you'll see Mr. Satan. And then on the inside of the shoe, you will see the Dragon Ball Z collection. Looking at the shoe, it's freaking dope. It is phenomenal. Adidas, you killed this shit. It's fire. Like I said, I wanted this shoe from a long time ago and I knew it was fire. And the fact that whoever sold me these on StockX, shout out to you, because you waged with me. You know, it took like a whole month for you to accept my bid, but when you accepted it, you helped me out. It comes with purple laces, so you can also switch it up from pink to purple laces, which is dope because this actually matches my shirt, and I didn't plan this. It just happened. Like I don't know what happened here. It just happened to plan out and it all looked good. I think that this is the greatest Dragon Ball Z Adidas collab shoe that they came out with. This is just my opinion, but that's a hard opinion to argue with. If you think that they dropped a shoe that looked better than this with the Dragon Ball Z collaboration, you let me know. But as far as this shoe, from the lower sole to the upper sole and the actual shoelaces on there, then the tongue on the shoe, it's crazy. The way that they threw this shoe together, I think the Kamada shoe itself is just one of a kind. This is something that you put on your feet and everybody's like, whoa, what's those? I've never seen those before. These are from this huge ass sole. It's just ridiculous. Let's just do what we want to do with this B-roll. Let's get it rolling. All right, after doing the B-roll on the shoe, like I said, my feet are happy, my foot is happy, I'm happy. It's no complaints. Adidas, yet again, you looked out. You did your thing. You did your thug thizzle and hooked up a young one's feet. Kamada, I am happy with this fire, this heat, this flame, this one-of-a-kind thing that nobody else really liked, but peep this game. Bars. That's it for the videos. Flocko Flicks and Kicks here. Catch you guys which way, this way, that way, Flocko's way. Flicks and Kicks, stay tuned. Guys and gents and gals, all the good shebang, shabazz, shaboozle, shaboom. I will catch you guys next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or even dislike. Don't comment or don't subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Flocko out.